Let's make Hong Kong style country park barbecue wings.
Salty sweet with a hint of lemongrass and honey, these are Hong Kong style barbecue wings. When everybody thinks of Hong Kong, they think of the urban sprawl and the super tall skyscrapers that form our iconic skyline. But did you know, only minutes away, there's lush greenery and deep forests and a wide selection of tropical sandy beaches. And every chance we get, we barbecue. Everybody has their own fork and cooks their own food. And every meat is glazed with a layer of wonderful honey. Smash and chop up the coriander roots. Then smash and chop up the lemongrass. A quarter teaspoon of lemongrass powder can be a substitute. The juice of half a lime, and don't worry if those seeds drop in. A good squirt of fish sauce. Some all-purpose marinade. About 2 tablespoons is good. Some powdered white pepper. Mix that all up and marinate the whole chicken wings. I like to cook them whole, but you can use whichever part you want. Give that a good mix and marinate for at least 30 minutes, or you can do this a day in advance and marinate overnight. Set the air fryer to 180 degrees and preheat. Lay the chicken wings onto a wire rack and slide that into the heat. It's important that you put a tray underneath the rack because it'll help capture all those liquids that fall through. Roast the chicken wings at 180 degrees for about 8 minutes. Then turn the air fryer down to 140 degrees and continue to cook for another 5 minutes. Then take out your chicken wings and give them a nice coat of honey. Now don't use the expensive type, use the cheapest type of honey you can. And if you don't have honey, you can use golden syrup. Turn the air fryer onto the highest setting, for me that's 230 degrees, and slide those bad boys back in. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes, but keep your eye on it just because you don't want the chicken wings to burn. If you don't have an air fryer, you can also use an oven. And if you do, you'll need to turn on the fan setting and adjust for about 10 degrees hotter than I mentioned earlier. And as usual, the whole recipe can be found in the description section below. Super convenient for you to just cut and paste and go to the supermarket and buy what you need. For this recipe, make sure you make more so that you can do this test. If you can rip it apart like this, it means that the chicken wings are perfectly cooked.
That's when you know.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and cook more chicken wings.